In a world where processed foods and environmental pollution are unavoidable, our bodies often struggle to keep up with the overload of preservatives and additives. But there's good news. By supporting our liver, the body's detox powerhouse, we can give our system the reset it needs. A healthy liver ensures optimal nutrient absorption and plays a crucial role in flushing out harmful toxins. Ready to give your liver the love it deserves? Here are 15 foods that can help naturally cleanse and protect this vital organ. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic is a true powerhouse for your liver. Packed with selenium, a mineral that enhances antioxidant activity, it's a must for detoxification. You might have noticed that adding garlic to your meals gives them that extra punch. Well, it's also boosting your liver's health at the same time. Garlic's vitamin B6 reduces liver inflammation, while arginine, an amino acid, promotes better blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. This means less pressure on your liver, making detoxing much easier. How to use? You can add fresh garlic to your dishes, sauté it, or even consume it raw to maximize its detoxifying benefits. Try adding 1 to 2 cloves of garlic to your daily meals, such as salads, soups, or smoothies. Emily, a health-conscious chef, started incorporating more garlic into her diet after struggling with fatigue and bloating. Within a few weeks, she noticed reduced bloating and a significant increase in her energy levels. She attributes this change to garlic's liver-boosting properties. Number 2. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is like a natural detox agent. It's loaded with vitamin C and glutathione, which help your liver detoxify more efficiently. If you've ever had a refreshing grapefruit for breakfast, you know that burst of energy. Well, that's the grapefruit enhancing your liver function too. Glutathione is naturally produced by your liver and aids in immune support and tissue repair. By adding grapefruit to your routine, you're actually helping your liver work smarter, not harder. How to use? For maximum benefit, eat half a grapefruit in the morning or add it to smoothies. You can also try grapefruit juice, but opt for fresh, unsweetened versions for the best liver benefits. Sarah, a busy professional, swapped her usual breakfast for half a grapefruit each morning. After a month, she reported feeling more alert and less sluggish during the day, crediting the fruit's detoxifying effects on her liver. Number 3. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, arugula, and beets are essential for liver health. They neutralize harmful environmental chemicals and help eliminate waste. You've probably enjoyed a spinach salad or a beetroot smoothie at some point. These veggies are packed with nutrients that stimulate bile flow, which helps detox your liver. They also help neutralize metals and pesticides. These greens even help your liver produce more detoxifying enzymes. How to use? Aim for 1 to 2 servings of leafy greens daily. You can enjoy them raw in salads, blended in smoothies, or sautéed in dishes. Mark, a longtime fitness enthusiast, noticed improvement in his liver enzyme levels after incorporating more leafy greens into his daily meals. Regular blood tests confirmed that his liver health had improved, likely due to the enhanced detoxification from these vegetables. Number 4. Avocados. Avocados are known as a superfood, and for good reason. They're loaded with glutathione, vitamin C, and vitamin E, all of which work together to protect your liver cells. You've probably heard how avocados are amazing for skin health, but they also fight off free radicals in your liver, protecting it from damage. You might also feel less bloated and more energized after eating them, thanks to their healthy fats, which help lower cholesterol. How to use? Incorporate half an avocado into your daily meals, whether on toast, in salads, or as a topping for grain bowls. You can also blend it into smoothies for a creamy texture. User experience. Anna, a nutritionist, recommends eating half an avocado daily to her clients. Many of them have reported feeling more energetic and having less bloating, likely because of the healthy fats that help support liver function. Number 5. Walnuts. Walnuts are packed with arginine, an amino acid that supports liver detoxification. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, perfect for liver health. If you've ever snacked on walnuts, you may have noticed a slight boost in focus. That's because walnuts help neutralize harmful free radicals and protect liver cells from damage. Their healthy fats also prevent fat buildup in the liver. This makes them a great snack option to support your liver while satisfying those hunger cravings. How to use: enjoy a small handful of walnuts, about 1 ounce, as a snack, or sprinkle them on top of salads, oatmeal, or yogurt. John, a tech professional, snacked on walnuts while working long hours at his desk. He found that not only did the walnuts help with his liver health, but they also kept him more focused and productive throughout the day. Number 6. Turmeric. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. A sprinkle of turmeric in your meals not only adds flavor, but also supports your liver. You might have already experienced the warming sensation of turmeric tea, which can help cleanse your liver by promoting bile flow. Curcumin also helps rejuvenate liver cells and prevents toxins from turning into harmful compounds. How to use: add turmeric to your meals by sprinkling it on roasted vegetables, mixing it into curries, or making a turmeric latte. You can also drink turmeric tea regularly for added benefits. Laura, who struggled with liver inflammation, started drinking turmeric tea regularly. After several weeks, she reported feeling less inflammation and improved digestion, which she believes was linked to turmeric's liver support. Number 7. Beetroot Juice. Beetroot juice is packed with nitrates and betalains, antioxidants that can benefit your liver. Studies in animals have shown that beet juice can help reduce oxidative damage and inflammation in the liver. So the next time you're sipping on beetroot juice, remember, it's doing more than just refreshing you. How to use: drink a glass of fresh beetroot juice 2 to 3 times a week. You can also blend beets into smoothies for a nutrient-packed drink. Jake, a marathon runner, began drinking beetroot juice after reading about its liver benefits. He found that his recovery times were faster after workouts, likely due to the detoxifying effects on his liver. Number 8. Cruciferous Vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and cauliflower help detox your liver by stimulating its enzymes. If you've ever had a broccoli stir-fry, you know how satisfying it can be. But did you know that these vegetables can also protect your liver from harmful substances? A study found that broccoli-fed mice developed fewer liver tumors and had less fatty liver disease. How to use: include 1 to 2 servings of cruciferous vegetables in your meals weekly. You can enjoy them roasted, steamed, or in stir-fries. Emily, a teacher with a high-stress job, included more cruciferous vegetables in her diet to combat stress-induced liver issues. She felt more energetic and noticed fewer digestive issues, likely due to the enhanced liver detoxification. Number 9. Prickly pear. Prickly pear is a unique fruit known for its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. If you've tried it before, you might remember its sweet, refreshing taste. Studies suggest it can protect your liver from alcohol toxicity. More research is needed, but if you're looking for a new fruit to try, prickly pear could be a great option. How to use: enjoy prickly pear as a fresh fruit in smoothies or as juice. Be sure to peel it properly before eating. Olivia, who loves trying new fruits, added prickly pear juice to her routine after reading about its liver benefits. She reported feeling less bloated and more balanced overall. Number 10. Blueberries and Cranberries. Blueberries and cranberries are rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants that help support liver health. You might have enjoyed a handful of these berries in a smoothie or as a snack, not realizing they're working wonders for your liver too. A study found that cranberry supplementation improved liver conditions in people with fatty liver disease. How to use: add a handful of fresh or frozen berries to your smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. You can also enjoy them as a snack or in baked goods. Tom, who was diagnosed with fatty liver disease, started incorporating more blueberries and cranberries into his diet. His doctor noted an improvement in his liver enzyme levels after a few months of dietary changes. Number 11. Nuts. Nuts are not only a tasty snack, but but they're also packed with healthy fats and antioxidants that support liver health. A study found that a diet rich in nuts could reduce the risk of liver disease. So next time you're reaching for a handful of almonds or cashews, remember you're fueling your liver too. How to use. Snack on a handful of mixed nuts, about 1 ounce, daily, or add them to your salads, smoothies, or baking. Sarah, a busy professional, switched to snacking on mixed nuts instead of chips. After a few months, her liver function tests showed improvement, and she felt less fatigued. Number 12. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Studies have shown that these fish reduce liver fat and triglyceride levels. If you've ever felt the satisfaction of a well-cooked salmon dinner, you were probably doing your liver a huge favor. How to use. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet 2 to 3 times a week. You can enjoy them grilled, baked, or in salads and sandwiches. Kevin, a fitness trainer, started adding more fatty fish to his meals to support liver health. He noticed better stamina and less liver-related discomfort after regular meals of fatty fish. Number 13. Olive oil. Olive oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet and can greatly benefit your liver. Studies show that it can reduce liver fat accumulation and improve liver enzyme levels. So, that drizzle of olive oil on your salad isn't just tasty, it's also a health boost for your liver. How to use. Use olive oil as a dressing for salads, drizzle it over roasted vegetables, or cook with it on low to medium heat. Clara, a nutritionist, incorporated more olive oil into her cooking after learning about its liver benefits. She found it easy to make the switch, and after a few months, she reported feeling lighter and more energized. Number 14. Coffee. Yes, coffee can be great for your liver. Studies have shown that regular coffee consumption can reduce the risk of liver cirrhosis and liver cancer. If you've had your morning cup of coffee and felt a jolt of energy, you are also supporting your liver. How to use. Drink 1 to 2 cups of coffee daily, but avoid excess sugar and cream to keep it liver-friendly. Opt for black or lightly brewed coffee for the best benefits. Mike, an office worker, has been drinking coffee regularly for years. After hearing about its liver benefits, he felt even better about his daily habits, especially as his regular liver checkups have shown healthy results. Number 15. Green tea. Green tea in particular has been shown to improve liver enzyme levels and reduce liver fat. If you've ever enjoyed a calming cup of green tea, know that you're helping your liver detoxify. Studies suggest that green tea drinkers have a lower risk of liver cancer too. How to use. Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily to maximize its liver-supporting benefits. You can also try other herbal teas with liver detoxifying properties. Lily, who struggled with high liver enzyme levels, added green tea to her diet after reading about its liver benefits. Over time, her enzyme levels decreased and she felt more refreshed. Thanks for watching. If you found these liver-boosting tips helpful, hit the like button and share with friends. Let us know in the comments which food you're adding to your routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips, and we'll see you in the next video.